Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by going into Gallery app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Then tap on this dot at the top left corner and select all photos that you wish to exclude. So I want to keep those two. To delete the rest, hit delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully selected and deleted. Sorry. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!